Opportunity Rocks is Access Communications' newest show. In partnership with the Regina Regional Opportunities Commission, Access Communications presents a unique insider's view of what's happening in Regina. Join us as Mayor Pat Fiacco competes with Dragon Den winner Rachel Milkey in a scavenger hunt around Regina's major attractions. Then, you'll hear how the global transportation hub is changing how Regina moves its goods. Learn as we give you the insider's view on how Regina's new branding logo was created. Finally, listen in as CEO Larry Hiles of the Regina Regional Opportunities Commission tells us all about the big changes happening in Regina's downtown. Don't miss Opportunity Rocks, Wednesday at 8 p.m., Thursday at 2 p.m., starting May 2nd, 2011.